Multileaders are an important part of Autocad dimensioning. They can be used at places where you want to specify certain notes or information about the part of a drawing. Let's use multileader to specify parts of dimension and drawing object on the simple Autocad drawing. You can access multileader from Annotate tab and multileaders or leader panel. So here's the leader panel. Now from this leader, you'll see here multileader button or icon, which can be used to initiate multileader command. So let's click on this multileader. A normal multileader will start with a leader line and a text. So let's say that we want to place a multileader on this corner. So click on this corner, drag your multileader, click at the second point, and now enter the text information. Let's say that we want to enter corner as the text information. Now to exit this, click on close text editor. And here we have this multileader. Now this is not all about multileaders. We can create different kind of multileader and we can use them in our drawing as well. Now let's say we want to use a different kind of multileader. For that, go to view and click on tool palettes. Now this will bring a tool palette with multileaders. You may find that in your case tool palette is little different, like these kind of tool palettes. So if you find these kind of tool palette, then go to this bottom, click on this and then click on leaders. So this will bring multileader or leader tool palette in front of all the palettes. We have selected this one, leader with text, this one, leader with text. Now if you select leader with no text, it will clearly add a leader without any text. Let's check other functions here of multileader. So let's select this one, leader with circle. Now click at a point and let's click at the second point and now enter a tag number. So let's say that we want to enter tag 01, which indicates first corner of this rectangle, and click OK. So now in this case, this multileader will be added inside a circle. Similarly, if you want to enter a leader inside a box, you can use this box, hexagon, triangle, and even a slot. So let's select slot, click at this point and then second point and enter the tag number, which is 02, and OK. So here we have a multileader inside a slot. You can also use a detail bubble for your multileader. So let's select detail bubble, click at this fourth point, click here and now enter 04 and then in sheet number enter rec, REC, which is for rectangle, short for rectangle. And here we have a different kind of multileader. You can add multileaders and align them in a single line. For example, let's add multileader in this drawing again. So I've selected this common multileader, the normal one, and let's say that we want to specify components of this dimension. So now this line is called an extension line. So let's say we're going to enter a multileader here and let's enter extension line and click outside to create this multileader. So here we have a multileader which is indicating that this one is extension line. Let's select another multileader, click on this arrow, and now we'll specify it as arrow. So this multileader is an arrow. Let's select multileader again, and this time I'll click at this point and now this multileader will indicate that this is the center mark. So center mark, and click outside to exit this. So we have indicated three different kind of multileaders. Let's add one more multileader, and in this case I'll enter this as our drawing, or let's say as a rectangle. So rectangle. Okay, so here we have this rectangle. Now you can see that these all multileaders are not properly arranged. So in order to arrange them properly, all you need to do is select this align multileader, select the multileaders which you want to align. Now press enter and then select the multileader which you want to keep as a base point for aligning, or the multileader which you want to keep as a standard. So let's select this one. So once you do this, all the multileaders will be aligned with respect to that one, and now make a straight line either downwards or upwards. And here we have it. all the multi-leaders are now aligned in a single straight line. If you want to add multiple multi-leaders, that also you can do. For adding multiple multi-leaders, select on add leader and let's click on the multi-leader, and you'll see that a new leader line will be added to that multi-leader. So now let's enter a point here. So let's click at this point. And let's click at this point, although this is a random point in space with no proper meaning, but still you can see that we have center mark indicated for these three different multi-leaders. In order to remove the multi-leader, select on remove and click on this one and this one which you want to remove. So I want to remove this and press enter. So we have removed the multi-leaders.